A lot of. A lot of. How to use a lot of in a sentence. Hi everyone. I'm Heslam from www.translatien.com. If you have been looking for a lot of in sentence examples with audio pronunciation, then you are right here. So let's get started. It's a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. What a lot of pens. Got a lot of charm. That's a lot of gold. It's a lot of work. I had a lot of help. It was a lot of fun. I eat a lot of meat. That's a lot of gold. That's a lot of hooey. I mean a lot of them. That's a lot of lies. I took a lot of heat. I owe a lot of money. That's a lot of food. I need a lot of them. I have a lot of time. Drink a lot of water. I eat a lot of fruit. He has a lot of land. That's a lot of cash. That's a lot of work. I ate a lot of pizza. We have a lot of fun. I do a lot of things. That's a lot of hooey. That's a lot of votes. I hold a lot of land. I have a lot of land. I'm in a lot of pain. Tom had a lot of fun. That's a lot of help. He has a lot of money. I have a lot of money. I lost a lot of money. I have a lot of books. We have a lot of time. I've had a lot of fun. I made a lot of money. I do a lot of reading. He has a lot of poise. He owns a lot of land. That was a lot of fun. I have a lot of ideas. I lost a lot of blood. We have a lot of them. We lost a lot of time. That's a lot of money. That is a lot of money. He got a lot of money. I need a lot of books. Pork has a lot of fat. I drank a lot of beer. I make a lot of money. We use a lot of water. We have a lot of food. He has a lot of books. It took a lot of time. This was a lot of fun. Tom has a lot of land. He has a lot of debts. I have a lot of dreams. We waste a lot of time. There's a lot of smoke. You have a lot of time. He made a lot of money. I read a lot of novels. He used a lot of honey. I eat a lot of carrots. What a lot of nonsense. We made a lot of noise. I like a lot of things. We need a lot of things. I'm for a lot of things. That is a lot of months. I have a lot of phlegm. To ski is a lot of fun. I do a lot of worrying. There's a lot of glare. He holds a lot of land. They eat a lot of rice. She has a lot of money. Tom has a lot of money. Tom eats a lot of fish. I have a lot of photos. Skiing is a lot of fun. There's a lot of fruit. They had a lot of kids. I know a lot of things. I meet a lot of people. Tom has a lot of books. They own a lot of land. She has a lot of books. I was in a lot of pain. Tom owns a lot of land. It made a lot of sense. There are a lot of rats. He runs a lot of hotels. You have a lot of nerve. Thank you for watching. Here are a couple of videos that I suggest you watch next. Before you move on to next video, if you find this video helpful, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Just click the link in the description below and enable all notifications. You will be notified whenever I upload my next video. Thank you so much. See you soon.